Hi there, it's Tim from Tim's Electric, and I've got another unboxing for you. Thanks so much, guys, for subscribing, watching the videos, putting those comments down below. It makes a world of difference. Manufacturers like this is Macwheel. They actually wrote to me and they said, "Hey, Tim, would you mind doing a big wheel?" Sorry, a big wheel. I like a big wheel. Would you mind doing a big guy review of a Macwheel? And I said, yeah, by all means, send one. So they've sent me the Macmission 100. Why don't I just break it apart, show you what's inside, what it comes with. I'm going to put the specifications of the Macmission 100 up on the screen now while I pull these tags off. It is a 36 volt, 13 amp hour battery with a 350 watt motor at the back, is what I'm expecting. But anyways, let's just pull these staples out so I don't scratch the floor. And big heavy duty bike box, that's for sure. I actually had a little bit of fun with this because they shipped this to my US address. And if you're a manufacturer and you're thinking, hey, he lives in Canada, how does he get things? You can actually ship things to my American address, and the kind folks just over there, which is pretty much where the border is, bring it across the border for me, and I go up to the airport and pick it up, which is like about a 30-minute drive. So, but if you are living in Canada, or if you live in right here in Victoria and you need stuff brought across the border, check out this company here. I think it's called Seawings. God, they were so nice, super nice people. Anywho, Melissa, thank you for filming. I'm gonna get you to come on over and I'll show you the inside. Everything looks nice. Looks like there might be a bicycle. Everything looks nicely put together. No holes in the box, very sturdy box. So I don't know, shall we try lifting this out, do you think? Hey, that works. Yay. One bicyclette, one bicycle. Let me just double check to see what's inside, if there are any. If there's anything I need to keep my eyes open for. Yeah, there are. There's a couple of boxes in here. Could be a battery, I'm thinking. And another box. And just a nice little foam box. Basically after that, the box is empty. So I'm gonna stick that behind me. And let's see what we got here. This is kind of fun for me because this is my first ever bicycle unboxing. First of all, I've never actually owned a new bike myself. Oh, that's not true. When I was a kid, my grandpa bought me a bike when I was a kid. But since then, as an adult, never actually had the pleasure. We got zip ties everywhere. It says, read the instructions carefully before assembly, enjoy your ride, and there's a QR code, which is scan for assembling videos. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna pause this video, I'm gonna scan this, I'm gonna take a look and see what the video says to do.
A few moments later.
Alrighty, so I have watched the video. The video is really quite awesome. I'll just show you a little clip of that. But I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get rid of all the junk, get all the packing material, make sure I've got everything ready to go. And then I'm gonna put this camera on a tripod and just give you a quick time lapse of me putting this together. A little bit of help from my friend here. Yeah, then I'll come back to you afterwards and tell you how easy it was put together, or not. Alrighty, so we've built up the bike. I haven't put the derailleur piece on yet. There's a piece that protects the derailleur. I'm not sure what that's going to look like, but also it looks like I've got fenders to put on, a couple of reflectors. I'm going to do that in a couple of minutes here. It's just getting dark outside. It looks like it's going to rain again. And in fact, that's why I haven't done any reviews for the last week and a half, because it's been raining every single day. Anyway, thank you again to Macwheel for sending me the bike. I'm really looking forward to doing a full review of this. Probably take me a few days just to get it out there, try it out, tighten up all the bolts. I've got to say it took about half an hour, just a little bit more, to put this together as far as I have so far. Fill up the tires with air, I'll do that. I like the way the battery is connected. It has a throttle on here, which is kind of neat. A little scary because I didn't know what it was when I pressed it, and so the bike shot off that way. Only I would do that. I did manage to put the handlebars on the right way around the first time, which is always a bonus. I like the look of it. What do you guys think? Does this look nice? Here, let me just turn around this way. What do you think? I like it. I like it. I mean, it looks like a really solid machine. I'm really looking forward to putting it through the paces through Victoria. And yeah, anywho, so if you're interested in the bike, I'm going to put a link to purchase the bike down below. I don't get paid for, I don't get any kickbacks or anything like that as usual, but you know, take a look if you'd like to buy something like this. I'm also going to, in the comments down below and things like that, I'm just going to put down more thoughts on this. And of course, if you're subscribed to the channel, you'll get a notification when I come out with the full review of the Macmission 100. So thanks again for watching. Thank you so much for giving it a like. If you have any questions about this particular bike, put those down in the comments down below. I try to reply to every single comment. In fact, right now, I'm 100%. I'm replying to every single comment. So thanks so much for watching. And thank you very much to our favorite camera person, Melissa. Thank you so much for filming, for helping me build my first e-bike on camera. My first ever new bike as an adult. Take care.